All right, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, the square body collection, Scatterdad stuff. Anyways, today we're gonna be changing out the power steering pump on this bad boy because, yeah, a seal blew. So, anyways, got a few bolts, but stay tuned. We're gonna swap that out. All right, folks, so apparently we gotta go get ourselves a power steering pump pulley. Well, not a pulley, a puller. Power steering pump pulley puller. Alright folks, I've got the power steering pump pulley remover. So we're gonna go try this out, see if I can remove the pulley. I've already got the pump off. Yeah, so wish me luck. I think I can get it. Looks pretty simple. Sometimes you just need the right tools, right? So YouTube, should have gone to YouTube first, and then I would have learned that I needed a puller. Yeah, so anyways, here we go. All right, folks, got this little puller here put on. Let's see if it works. Now, you want to hold it with the wrench and then get your impact. That's not gonna work. All right, this thing ain't working. What the heck? Oh, I got those backwards. There we go. Okay, here we go. This should work now. Had those on. One of those on backwards. Now she should work. Okay. Now hold the thing. All right, there you have it. Pulley off. Now we're gonna pull these mounts off right here, and then we're gonna get the new power steering pump, and then we'll put the pulley back on it. All right, so there was a little bolt on the back of this. Got to take that off and put it on the new one, and then just mount up the mounts again and reinstall the pulley. So all right, so here we go. We are going to try this. I've never done this before. I'm pretty sure you just put the pulley on like that, and then you screw this one into there, probably as far as it'll go to get you to where, you know, you're tight. And that's what you're gonna do. My understanding is now we're gonna hold that. So we're gonna hold this, and we are going to tighten this by hand. and press it back on. So once you have the right tools, all this stuff's really easy. It's just getting the right tools and the puller and realizing that you need this stuff to get this put back on. Alright, so one other thing I just noticed real quick is I need to take out this plug off the old one and put it right here. Got the new power steering pump on, and I don't know if I need to work some air out of that. Oh no, look at that. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Woo wee. She works. Just need to make sure I don't develop any leaks. I'm gonna go take it for a spin up the road, but that's that. I'll update you if there are any leaks, but I'm pretty sure there are not any leaks so far. So cross my fingers. We'll go take it for another drive, check it out. But yeah, that's it. That's all for today's video. I'll tell you, change a power steering pump. I mean, I'm sure I could have showed a few more things, but hey, that's the project. So this bad boy is going to be hitting the road soon because I just fixed that, and we're going to get it registered, and then we're going to drop off the top and the carpet kit, and we're going to start working on this. Also, update on the Suburban. We've got that Jeep fixed with the brakes, so we're going to make some room today, and we're going to pull that bad boy into the garage. But anyways, smile every morning.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way